The chief financial officer of Target stores went before Congress today and apologized for the data breach during the holiday shopping season. Hackers stole at least 40 million credit and debit card records. Target, like most American stores, uses technology that is decades old and is easy to hack. Turns out there's a better system, and we asked Elaine Quijano to tell us about it.
There are more than 1 billion credit cards in circulation in the United States, but just a fraction are like these cards being made at the CPI Card Group in Colorado.
This is a really critical stage. It's called our smart card area.
Steve Montross is the company's CEO. These cards have a computer chip which stores user information. Unlike the magnetic strips on the back of most cards where personal information is permanently stored, the data on the chips is encrypted with codes that change whenever the card is scanned.
Therefore, if fraudsters get a hold of cardholder data, they're not able to duplicate that data authentication that is dynamic and changes for every transaction.
Smart cards are widely used in Europe, Canada, and Latin America. They are barely a blip in the U.S., where almost half of all credit card fraud occurs.
The chip is very different. It's like moving from an 8-track tape to an MP3 player.
Tim Murphy is with MasterCard. The company has teamed with Visa, Discover, American Express, and others to try and make the technology standard in the U.S.
It is costly to do. It costs money for both merchants and for banks to issue the cards and then to upgrade their terminals to take the cards. It's a little bit like thinking about if you wanted to redo all the entrance and exits to the interstate system in the U.S.
So the major credit card companies have decided to force the issue. In October of 2015, businesses that don't accept smart cards and banks that don't issue them will be responsible for any fraudulent charges.
But this technology only protects in-store transactions, so criminals could shift their focus online. It happened in England, Scott. After they switched to smart cards, the percentage of fraud committed online climbed from 23% to 65%.
Elaine, thanks very much.